Sustainability is not environment. Sustainability is about economy, equity, and also, of course, environment. Only last year, from ICT perspective, around 6 million tons of electric waste have been generated globally. So a complexity is raising with a threat everywhere globally. So because of that two reasons, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, since announcing the vision in 2030, they embedded sustainability in each program, project, and initiative. Also, if you see an example of NEOM or the line, you will figure out that the cornerstone of sustainability of these projects is sustainability. Recently, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and His Royal Highness have been announcing Green Middle East and Green Saudi as initiatives. These two initiatives understand that we cannot work alone as a government. It requires a partnership between government and every single person on the planet is responsible about the sustainability. We are aiming to plan about 10 billion planet. We are trying to increase protected area by 30%, and we are trying to lower the emission carbon by 6% globally by 2030.
No, absolutely. Luke, what are some of your thoughts on this? Because I know that this is a key topic for you.
Well, I think Saudi Green Initiative is a great initiative, and frankly, I'm looking at this as both an ambitious and realistic plan for the kingdom,
right?
Which is really something that we as Schneider want to contribute to in our role as a technology company. And you know, coming back to the balance of who should do what in the sustainability journey, I love very much your introduction saying that technology enables now sustainability. The truth is that sustainability is achieved when everyone makes the steps in the right direction. And the great news of today, if we all want to work so that this decade, which is probably the last one where we can take action, is not the last decade, is that everyone converged to this kind of objective. The great news is, as you said, technology enables it in a way that sustainability becomes not a pain that is imposed by governments on companies. This is an objective which is economically rational for everyone, which is facilitated by governments, and where corporates take large initiatives and can also drive initiative. Yeah. I think we are starting to see this everywhere. The Saudi Green Initiative is the demonstration of that, and that's providing a very good leap to this. And frankly, I'm hoping to contribute to that as a company and to help the kingdom make that leap.
I think you make a really good point that we have to get something done this decade, not just because we have to cut emissions globally 50% by 2030, but because there's a series of technological cost curves that are converging. In the same way that certain things made the iPhone possible in 2007, we have a huge number of new types of technology that are coming together to enable a new and prosperous future. And as you were saying, this used to be hard, right? This used to be a really difficult problem, but guess what, folks? We've been through digital transformation, and the same tools that helped us transform our companies for a world dominated by software can be the same tools that we use to navigate into a sustainable future. But, and here's the big but, not every company has gone through digital transformation at this point. So is that it then? Or is there an opportunity for every company, every country, regardless of their digital maturity, to achieve this possibility? And Abdullah, what are your thoughts?
Well, digital transformation for me is a survival thing. It's not anymore luxury. We have been talking about it for years, but I think the matter of fact is, if you're not transforming, you probably will be looking for another business to start.
Right.
So the good thing is, again, as I said, the digital transformation leads to a carbonless operations. The maturity in the industry and the innovation and the accelerated path of new technologies have made it even more easier for organizations to transform. If they are not transforming, then probably that they will not be exist in the future. The good thing here in it is, while thinking of the digital economy, it is already taking the path towards better contribution to the society, better contribution to the governance, which is the third pillar of sustainability. The beauty of the digital transformation is hitting on the three verticals of sustainability. I just talked about the environmental. I think on the society, by connecting people who are not connected, by facilitating their lives. And a big aspect of it is on the governance. The more you digitize your operations, the more you control how things are run in the organization. And this is where you can assure a future economy existence of the organizations.
No, absolutely. Mr. Naif, did you have any thoughts on that?
I agree with Abdullah. Digital transformation is very important and it's not a luxury anymore. If any organization decides not to go toward that journey, they will cannot survive within a couple of months, not years. And I think sustainability is coming along soon, especially after COVID, and it will be something that is very essential for every organization to adapt.